He moved me to the second round where it was a 3-person panel. I did that interview. And 3 weeks later, I landed the position as a software quality analyst. That was my first and only interview with anything with QA. And that was the only interview I did, and that was my first position. And that's where I've been with them for about 3 weeks to this point.
Okay, I'm trying. Hold on.
And when I tell y'all that Jenny is out here with this program changing lives, she has changed my family's life.
Please don't do it. Please don't.
I'm not going to do it.
I got to teach y'all.
She has changed. I'm telling you that. Look, she has changed our lives.
You got to help the rest of them. You're doing it. All right.
So that's
all
it.
Right.
That's it, y'all. So, yeah.
And y'all,
that was me.
Y'all please congratulate Latonya. She's almost a month in. I'm very proud of her. I'm very happy for her. In fact, I'm going to